Bismillah. Okay, now in this video we'll learn how to create a block in AutoCAD. So first thing first, we want to go to layer again. Okay, we're gonna be making a furniture, let's say a sofa. Now you could right click before we went here, but here we're just gonna learn another option. You could right click here and put new layer. We'll call it furniture. Now here we wanted the color to be, let's say, magenta. Okay, and the line type we had it as center. We'll change it to a solid line, and the line weight we'll leave it as 0.25. That's enough for us. So let's close this. Now let's say we're creating a single chair, sofa, like a one-person chair. So we'll use P line option. So PL for P line. So we want it to be 40-inch wide, and this is the backs where we're doing the top view. So 4-inch. Alright, and we want it to be 40-inch again, and close that side. For the side support, we'll go in 24-inch, 4-inch, same thing, close it. Now here we'll use the mirror option because we want it to come here exactly. So if we select this and put MI, select the center of it because it gives you the option, and come down, it will make it a identical one. Now we need to do the cushion. So let's say this was 24, will come to 2-inch out, so it will be 26. Okay, this would be 2 feet 8, and go back all the way and close it. Now this is under layer 0, so because it's furniture, we'll change it to furniture. So another new thing we're going to learn how to change the layers. If we select that, and you see how it says make current, if we select that, it will automatically change the layers to furniture, to whatever this object was. When you have so much layers down the road, it will be easier for you to just select that object and press here instead of going through all the layers and selecting that specific layer. But for now, this is our sofa. Because we could, I'm gonna come out at a cup holder. Let's say we'll come out 6 inches. Just do that from here to there, 6-inch. Type C for circle, and then D for diameter. We want it to be 3-inch. That's enough for us. We have a cup holder here. We want to have one here too, so just mirror it just like we did for the side supports. So this is our sofa right now. We want to make it into a block. Okay, so to access the block option, so just say B, automatically it comes up. We'll just type it in, block. Alright, now what do you want to name it? First of all, we'll name it sofa one person sofa, or whatever you want to name it. I'll call it loft chair for now, or lazy boy. Lazy boy, it's better name. Now the base point. Alright, pick point, don't specify it, click here, pick insertion base point. So once we select this, we'll pick where we want the base point of the block to be. So once we select that, I want it to be the back center. You could pick here, you could pick there, anywhere you want. You can get the center of it if you want, but I'll pick here. For me it's easier. So it will tell me that the X direction is 6 feet 9, 11, 64 of an inch. So basically that area, what we selected here, the X direction is that much, the Y direction is 3 feet 9, and then the Z direction, which is the we don't worry about that right now. When we do the 3D, I'll explain it how we're gonna use that, but just leave it for now as 0. Now to select the object, we want to select the lines we, so press that, it will give you this option. So from up to down, select it, press enter. Alright, now on here we have innovative, match block orientation to layout, to scale uniformly. I just leave those as it was, but select this, allow exploding, so you can explode it. Description, call lazy chair, lazy chair. You could also put the dimension. It was 40-inch wide by what was it? The depth was, I think, 26 plus 4, so there's 30 inch deep. And then the height, we don't have to specify it, but we'll just do it. We'll say 24-inch. No, we'll just say 36-inch total height. That would be the back support, everything is sitting. Anyways, you don't have to do this, but if you want to do it, okay. So we'll press OK. So you see how you can move it. This is our block right now. Okay, that's the sofa chair. Let's say you wanted to have another one. Put IN or I for insert, or just type the whole thing insert. See how it gives us the option. Press OK. You could put, you see how the base point is in the center. That's how it is. So that is how you create a block. To edit it, let's say you wanted to delete the one of the cup holders. So select it, right click, and then it says block editor in place. But I always go to this one. You could do the same thing, it will leave it here. It's another good option you have. But block editor, select it. Okay, to get rid of the grid lines, you could hit F7 or just leave it. I like to leave it. So we wanted to delete this one, so let's delete that and leave this one. So the guy who's a lefty, or however, for example, we're just leaving it as that one. So we deleted it. Now here it gives you the option to close block editor. If you press that, this option always comes up. Save the changes to lazy boy or discard the changes. Because we wanted to change it, so we'll save it. If we don't, we'll just say discard it. See how we changed it? Let's say another one. Let's just put another one in. Insert. It is no longer there. So this is how you edit it and how you create a block. Down the road, I'll do more videos on how to add attributes and like scaling it or moving it and so on and so forth, rotating it without typing in the rotate command. Like automatically you could just click it and then it will give you the option to rotate, move, whatever. So that's it for now. If you have any other questions, let me know at the bottom. I'll answer it as soon as I can. Thanks guys.